Welcome to Conservative Guns and Armor. We have a special review for you guys today, but before we get into that, we have confirmed we're doing a giveaway coming January. So make sure you subscribe so you stay tuned for that so you can win a Glock. But we're reviewing this Ruger 1022 today, the most sold semi-automatic rifle in America. So let's get into it and test it out. 2, 3, yeah, this is a 25 round magazine, guys. It's great having high capacity, but boy, you're sitting here loading for a hot minute, guys. So just make sure when you get this gun, you take plenty of time to load your magazines because you're gonna be here a while.
We're gonna be using the Winchester 22 hollow points, so the 36 grain. We've honestly shot probably 200 rounds by now, and it's hasn't had one single
And as you know, hollow points don't cycle as well in some semi-auto platforms. So this Ruger 1022, we're gonna test it out and see how it's doing. Let's load her up and take a few shots, see how she feels.
You're running the 10 round magazine?
Yes, 10 round mag, and fits flush in there, so it's pretty neat. Let's go. Nice ring on that steel.
All right, so we got the 25 round mag. So the 10 round mag it fits flush. So the 25 has this like banana curve, kind of like an AK mag. It looks really cool, and put the safety on just real quick. It is pretty nice when you release, and it just kind of slides up in there, and then you're ready to go. So we'll see how she runs. All right, so that's 25 rounds out of the magazine, and hollow points ran absolutely flawlessly. We've done that probably, what do you say, 3-4 times by now with using the 25 round mag. It's, even with hollow points, you know, Ruger 1022, can't go wrong. So we're gonna load it back up, shoot some more, and then we'll give a honest impression over it.
Weird mechanism in there. You have to pull the bolt back and then insert the little lever there,
And then it holds the bolt up.
and then you have to pull back on the bolt and then push it and rock it back. It's like a rocker switch. If y'all do anything electric wise, you know, electricity, rocker switches, it's kind of what that is. It's like a rocker switch to hold your bolt back. So I don't really like the mechanism. It's not very tactical, but it's great for blinking. So beats a 64F.
All right, so we're gonna go over some specs over the Ruger 1022. This particular model, the base model that we have, the only thing that we have that's a little bit different that maybe not everyone has is the 25 round mag. Thank you, Dahlonega Armory. I love you guys, honestly. You guys are amazing. So this is, we bought this one from, again, Dahlonega Armory or Dahlonega Golden Pawn up in Dahlonega, Georgia, for around 270, 280 bucks around there. We'll give an MSRP down here, and also the specs are going to be kind of floating on the bottom of the screen. There's really nothing bad to say about this gun at all. The only thing is the last round does not hold the bolt open, but other than that, I mean, if that's the only thing, that's pretty darn good. We shot hollow points, we shot I was about to say FMJ, but lead tips, nothing wrong. It's ran absolutely beautiful. It's really beautiful design, very old school design, but very rugged. So it's definitely really reliable, and it's proven itself over many decades. Another cool feature I'd like to just really quickly mention is the sights. So these are, it is like the, kind of like the, it's mimicking the big boy 38 Special 357 Magnum Henry that we shot on the channel before. By the way, go check out that video. And you can actually flip these down, which is pretty cool. So, I mean, that's pretty much it over the specs. There's really nothing to say about it. It's just a great blinker, honestly. And in the future, we might get some other models, maybe some more tactical models, precision rifles.
Stock upgrades.
Stock upgrades. I know there's, you can make a 1022 look like, not like a 1022 real quick, even just from like stock upgrades. I know there's one for a PS90. There's some, I've even seen a belt fed Ruger 1022 conversion. You can do everything to a 1022, but we're gonna load her back up. We're gonna use the 10-round magazine this time and see how she runs and close out the video. So here we go.
All right, so we just pressed the wonderful rocker switch there and then release the bolt. Let's go ahead and shoot this little 10-round mag that it comes with stock. You don't get the 25-round from factory.
That'd be nice.
Overall, I mean, this thing can run ammo that most 22s would be very finicky about. So feed ramp on these things must really be a high part of that, because I think that's when you're running hollow points, they get kind of stuck up on that feed ramp. So Ruger, you've done a great job with this thing. Can feed just about any ammo. Just don't get that Winchester Super X, because yeah, you'll get sawdust in your gun. So don't do that to your nice $300 gun. But yeah, overall great gun. You can change pretty much anything with it. Like Sean said earlier, it's like a Glock. You can put whatever you want, change it out. There's so many parts available for this thing. And even when we went to go get this thing and pick it up, everybody in the store was like, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love this gun. I had one since I was a kid, all things like that. So, I mean, hell, maybe it'll be something that pass on my kids sometime down the line. So,
all right, so that is our review over the Ruger 1022, the infamous Ruger 1022. There's kids that have shot it, there's grandpas that have shot it. Everyone loves it. And honestly, it's a beautiful rifle. We love it. And we're honestly really proud to have it in the collection now. And just one quick thing, when you buy the gun, or this particular gun that we bought, they actually came with a Picatinny rail that you can attach onto the top, which a Picatinny, you can add a red dot. Hell, you can add an ACOG on there for some ungodly reason. I don't know why you would do that, but hey, if there's some Giga Chads out there, please do that, just for the hell of it. Remember, we have that giveaway in January. I think you're gonna really like it. It's a nice little Glock. It's gonna be given away alongside some other things, but you'll have to watch another video. So please subscribe to the channel and we'll keep you up to date. Probably you're looking beginning of January, mid-January, around there. We'll definitely drop a video giving all the information, how to enter and all that good stuff. Again, if you want to check out the links in the description, those are our sponsors. You can support the channel that way. And other than that, we will see you guys in the next video.